Welcome to our journey into the world of Stoic wisdom, a guide for navigating the ups and downs of life. In our fast-paced, often chaotic world, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism offers a refreshing perspective on how to tackle life's challenges. So, what's Stoicism all about? At its heart, it's a philosophy from ancient Greece that emphasized virtue, reason, and self-control. It teaches us to focus on what we can control and to let go of the rest. Trust me, this mindset isn't just for philosophers. It's incredibly relevant to our lives today. Imagine waking up every morning with a clear sense of purpose, equipped to handle whatever comes your way. Stoicism encourages us to build resilience and emotional strength, helping us respond to life's roller coaster with grace. By applying these principles, we can turn our daily routines into powerful opportunities for growth. Let's explore practical ways to weave Stoic wisdom into your everyday life, from the moment you wake up to when you lay your head down at night. We'll dive into techniques like morning reflections, where you set intentions for the day, and evening reviews, where you take stock of your actions and thoughts. These practices help ground you and deepen your understanding of yourself and your reactions to the world around you. Are you ready to embrace a more mindful and intentional way of living? By the end of this video, you'll walk away with actionable insights that you can start using right away, empowering you to cultivate a Stoic mindset that enhances your daily experiences. Let's embark on this journey together and discover how Stoic wisdom can help us live our best lives, one day at a time. Starting your day with a Stoic mindset can set the tone for everything that follows. One of the best ways to kick off your morning is with gratitude. Take a moment to think about what you appreciate in your life. It could be the cozy warmth of your bed, the love from friends and family, or the potential that a new day brings. Acknowledging these positives helps shift your focus from what's lacking to what's abundant. Next, let's talk intentions. Stoicism teaches us to concentrate on what we can control and to release what we can't. As you map out your day, identify specific goals or tasks that resonate with your values. Maybe it's finishing a work project or having a heart-to-heart with someone special. By honing in on your intentions, you empower yourself to take proactive steps rather than just reacting to whatever life throws your way. And don't forget to carve out a little time for meditation or mindfulness. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes, and take a few deep breaths. Let your mind settle as you focus on the present. Visualize your day ahead, reminding yourself of the challenges you might face and how you can approach them with clarity and composure. This practice not only calms your mind, but also reinforces your commitment to living purposefully. By integrating these Stoic practices into your morning, you create a positive atmosphere that carries through the day. You're cultivating a mindset filled with gratitude, intention, and mindfulness, ready to tackle whatever comes your way. So rise and shine with a Stoic heart, and let's seize the day. Life is full of challenges, and embracing them as opportunities for growth is at the core of Stoic philosophy. Instead of seeing obstacles as setbacks, view them as a natural part of your journey. Each challenge is an invitation to build resilience. When difficulties arise, remind yourself that these moments are shaping who you are. Shift your frustration into motivation and tackle each hurdle with renewed energy. Negative experiences might be uncomfortable, but they can also be powerful teachers. When things go off the rails, take a moment to step back and reflect. Use these moments to nurture patience and understanding, both for yourself and others. Stoicism urges us to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively. Practicing patience helps you gain a deeper awareness of your emotions and reactions, leading to personal growth. This shift in perspective allows you to handle challenges with calm and confidence. Throughout your day, Take a moment to reflect on how each challenge contributes to your growth. Consider keeping a journal to document your experiences. Write about the obstacles you faced, how you responded, and what you learned. This practice reinforces your growth mindset and helps you spot patterns in your behavior. Over time, you'll see how each challenge, no matter how daunting, plays a crucial role in shaping your character. By embracing daily challenges with a Stoic mindset, you empower yourself to become stronger and wiser. Remember, it's not the challenges that define you, but how you respond to them. So, welcome each obstacle as a stepping stone on your path to growth. Bringing Stoic principles into your interactions with others can take your relationships to the next level. One key element of Stoicism is empathy, understanding where others are coming from. When talking to friends, family, or colleagues, pause to consider their perspectives. This practice not only strengthens your connections, but also encourages you to respond with compassion rather than judgment. Putting yourself in someone else's shoes creates an atmosphere of mutual respect, essential for healthy relationships. When conflicts pop up, it's easy to let emotions run wild. But Stoicism teaches us to respond with calm and rationality. Instead of jumping in with both feet, take a deep breath and assess the situation. Ask yourself what's truly at stake and how you can address the issue constructively. This approach helps diffuse tensions and sets a positive example for others. By keeping your cool, you pave the way for open dialogue and effective problem solving. Also, remember that quality trumps quantity when it comes to relationships. In a world that often celebrates surface-level connections, Stoicism reminds us that meaningful interactions matter more. Invest your time and energy in nurturing relationships that bring you joy. This could mean having deeper conversations with a close friend or simply spending quality time with family. By prioritizing quality, you create a supportive network that aligns with your values. By incorporating these Stoic principles into your interactions, you can foster a more harmonious social environment. Embrace empathy, tackle conflicts calmly, and cherish the quality of your relationships. Not only will you enrich your own life, but you'll also positively impact those around you, building a community grounded in understanding and respect. As the day winds down, taking a moment for evening reflection can be a powerful way to reinforce Stoic teachings and encourage personal growth. Start by reviewing your day, celebrate what went well, and pinpoint areas for improvement. This practice helps you appreciate your wins, no matter how small, while also recognizing where you can strive for more. Acknowledging both the highs and lows of your day creates a balanced perspective that fuels self-awareness. Next, think about how you responded to the challenges you faced. Did you keep your cool, or did emotions get the best of you? Reflecting on your reactions is crucial for understanding your behavior and spotting patterns. Stoicism teaches us that while we can't control external events, we can control our responses. Evaluating your choices empowers you to make more thoughtful decisions in the future. Finally, take a moment to express gratitude for the lessons learned throughout the day. Gratitude is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, reminding us to appreciate the journey, including its ups and downs. Whether it's the support of a friend, a lesson learned from a mistake, or the beauty of a sunset, recognizing these moments fosters contentment. Consider keeping a gratitude journal where you jot down these reflections, creating a tangible record of your growth. Incorporating evening reflection into your routine not only reinforces Stoic teachings, but also deepens your understanding of yourself. This practice helps you wrap up your day on a positive note, preparing you for tomorrow's challenges and opportunities. Embrace this time for reflection and watch how it transforms your perspective and enriches your journey toward a more mindful life. As we wrap up our exploration of living every day with Stoic wisdom, let's recap what we've discussed. Integrating Stoic principles into your daily life can profoundly impact your mindset and well-being. From starting your day with gratitude and intention to embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, each practice helps cultivate resilience. The benefits of adopting a Stoic mindset go beyond just coping with life. They promote personal growth and deeper self-understanding. By practicing empathy, responding to conflicts rationally, and reflecting on your experiences, you build meaningful relationships and a fulfilling life. This journey isn't just about enduring challenges, it's about thriving through them. We hope you found this video insightful and inspiring. If you're eager to dive deeper into Stoic wisdom and explore more content on personal development, consider subscribing to our channel. You'll stay updated on our latest videos that delve into various aspects of Stoicism and other philosophies that can enhance your life.